What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. As you see here, I have made 3 healthy immune boosting smoothies from the Next Gen Blending BlendJet recipe book. If you want to see how I make these simple delicious recipes, just keep on watching. So the first smoothie that I will be making is the Orange Julius smoothie, and as you see, the ingredients are very simple and easy to make. Time to give it a try. The second recipe is called the Tropical Smoothie. I have tried a smoothie like this before, but I've tried it with apple juice, so I'm excited to see how this tastes. And for the last and final recipe, this one is called the Sunshine Smoothie. Now, you guys, I've already done a review on this smoothie, but I will put the link of that video up in the cards. You can go and check it out to see what I thought about this one. All right, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you will give these 3 healthy and immune boosting smoothies a try. If you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Until next time, peace.